how to fix Cinema SD app not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the source bar, search for Cinema SD. Head over to the very first app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Move into apps, and then head over to the application Cinema SD. Move into storage and cache. Over here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and click on Force Stop, and then click on OK. After this, if you are still facing this issue, then what else you can do is uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix Cinema SD app not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.